Certainly. Here are 10 high-resolution stock image websites that offer free images. Unsplash, www.unsplash.com. Pexels, www.pexels.com. Pixabay, www.pixabay.com. Burst by Shopify, www.burst.shopify.com. Freepik, www.freepik.com. Reshot, www.reshot.com. StockSnap, www.stocksnap.io. Splitshire, www.splitshire.com. Kaboompix, www.kaboompix.com. Gratisography, www.gratisography.com. These websites offer a wide variety of high-quality stock images that you can use for personal and commercial purposes. However, please be sure to read and understand each platform's terms of use and licensing agreements for the specific restrictions.